Have you ever seen the impact of a single burning tire? Thick, toxic smoke chokes the air. Harmful chemicals seep into the ground, and microplastics find their way into our water and soil. This is not just pollution. It's a silent threat to our health and our planet. Now imagine this happening with millions of tires every year. The numbers are staggering and the consequences are dire. But we believe there's a better way. Welcome to TeamTyre.com, a community that dares to change the narrative one tire at a time. It was May 28, 2024, in Gurugram, during a small get-together among tire industry veterans, that the seeds of TeamTyre.com were sown. COVID had taken away some of our brightest colleagues, people whose expertise was invaluable to the tire industry. Their passing wasn't just a personal loss, it was a loss of knowledge and experience that could have saved lives, improved tires, and even made the world greener. That day, as we reflected on life's fragility, we realized something important. We are fortunate to be part of one of humanity's greatest innovations, the pneumatic tire. Tires have revolutionized transportation, ensuring safety and mobility. But they also come with challenges, a significant carbon footprint, risks of premature failures, and dangers if not maintained or disposed of properly. We asked ourselves, what can we do to make a difference? How can we give back to society? That conversation sparked a mission. We envisioned a platform that could educate consumers about tire selection and maintenance to ensure safety and extend tire life. Delay the entry of new tires into the system by maximizing the lifespan of existing ones. Promote proper tire disposal to prevent environmental damage. And above all, we wanted to take responsibility for the carbon footprint tires leave behind. This is how the idea of one tree in the name of a tire. Ek Peड़ Tire Ke Naam was born, a mission to plant a tree for every tire we use, sell or manufacture, as a small but meaningful step toward offsetting the environmental impact. In September 2024, we conducted the pre-launch of TeamTyre.com. Over 50 tire professionals gathered, united by their shared commitment to this cause. Together, we planted 51 trees in a cricket ground, symbolizing our pledge to a greener future. They didn't just contribute, they became the first family members of TeamTyre.com, donating their time, money, and efforts to help us build this platform. Behind this mission is a core team of tire industry veterans, whose leadership has been instrumental in turning this vision into reality. Their dedication and expertise have laid the foundation for TeamTyre.com, a platform designed for tire professionals, dealers, and end users. On December 1st, 2024, the core team and First Family team members reviewed the platform and the Team Tyre chatbot at Mr. Bhaskar's residence in Gurugram. With their approval, we are now ready to open TeamTyre.com for the next phase of testing and participation on December 9th. TeamTyre.com is the world's first comprehensive tire portal, created by tire experts to address and resolve all tire-related issues. For tire professionals, it offers unparalleled recognition for their expertise and efforts. It provides opportunities to write blogs and educational content, share unboxing videos and product reviews, conduct market research and surveys. It's a chance to earn, grow, and most importantly, give back to society while gaining visibility across industries worldwide. India is emerging as a global auto hub, and companies around the world are looking for tire professionals to help establish plants, set up processes, and drive innovation. We envision TeamTyre.com as the next go-to portal for all tire-related needs: recruitment, training, full-time hiring, or project-based consultancy. Joining TeamTyre.com is simple. Choose any of the 3 ways to become a registered member. Plant a tree and share a photograph. Donate just rupees, 1 to TeamTyre.com. Submit a blog or educational video about tires and their environmental impact. TeamTyre.com isn't just a platform, it's a movement. Together we can extend tire life through education, reduce road accidents caused by poorly maintained tires, drive sustainability by promoting responsible practices. This is your chance to make a difference, to give back to society, and to be recognized not just in the tire industry, but across industries globally. Join us in revolutionizing the tire ecosystem. One tire, one tree, one step at a time.